Hi, I'm Emmie Muth, and I'm part of the team building HITT's new headquarters. Come with me as we check out the job site in our new neighborhood. I just hopped off the West Falls Church Metro. The best part is right across the street from new headquarters. That makes it quick and convenient for our team members and visitors to get here. We're also right next to bike trails that connect a lot of the neighborhoods, so getting here is easy. It's another great sustainable option for our team besides driving. Meridian High School is right next door. Students have a front row view of construction from their classrooms, which is a cool way to see our work in action and hopefully spark interest in construction. We're partnering with Virginia Tech inside our new headquarters. Here on the ground floor, they'll have a research lab focused on construction innovation to test smarter, more sustainable ways to build and help train the next generation of builders. Over here, HITT's building new luxury apartments for a client. When it's finished, it'll have shops and restaurants, so there'll be plenty of places to grab lunch or coffee, just steps away for everyone who works and lives nearby. This spot will have public art and an open gathering space, plus urban parks and a pollinator garden for butterflies, bees, and more. We hope it's a place where everyone can come together and enjoy the outdoors. Thanks for walking the site with me. We're really excited to welcome everyone to HITT's new headquarters in 2027 and to be a part of this incredible neighborhood.